Hello, students, containing our FMT PYQ series. Today's important topic is Res Ipsa Loquitur. Generally, a short note is asked on this topic, and very easy topic. Once you give it 5-10 minutes, you will be able to understand it easily. See, the meaning of Res Ipsa Loquitur is a legal doctrine meaning the thing speaks for itself. It is applied in cases where the nature of the accident or injury itself indicates negligence and the patient is not required to prove the exact act of negligence. What are the conditions for application? That the injury does not ordinarily occur without negligence. Second, the instrument or agency causing injury under the control of doctor or the hospital. Third, the injury was not due to any voluntary act or contribution of the patient. So, how would you explain it? See, this simply means, like in the case of, I have added few examples just to so that you are able to easily understand. Leaving a surgical instrument or sponge inside the patient after operation. You might have heard many media reports over the years that some medical instruments were left inside the body of the patient and it was repeated after very much long time. So these cases, the like here the case speaks for itself. There is no justification needed, there is no witness statement needed, there is no proof needed, because as a doctor you'd fail to perform your duty and implied negligence was caused by you. Also, if there is operation needs to be done of the left limb and the operation is done on the right limb, okay, so operating on the wrong limb or wrong side of the body is also considered this medical negligence, because here the patient is not at fault. It was your duty to assess which body part, which side, which angle was needed, and if you make a mistake, then the doctor is solely responsible. Also, the burns caused to the patient due to faulty diathermy or hot water bottles. Sometimes deep tissue massage is needed. The tissue needs to be heated up, and if and it is done by providing uh, warmth to the tissues. So, if the warmth exposure is to more higher level for a prolonged duration, there might be burns occurring, and these burns are again not patient's responsibility. So, here in one line, res ipsa loquitur means that whatever was done by the doctor, he or his uh, he and his all the equipments he was using were his control. Here the patient has zero liability and the patient does not need to prove anything. This is the main. So one important line which you should add in your exam is that only in this case the doctrine shifts the burden of proof from the patient to the doctor or hospital to prove absence of negligence. Otherwise, in most of the cases, court has ruled that the burden of proof lies on the patient. He has to prove that there was criminal negligence. He has to prove that there was civil negligence. But in this, he does not prove to anything because the action or the thing speaks for itself. I think we have done it very beautifully. See you in the next topic. Thank